All right, what's going on, everybody? It is February 7th. It's my mother's birthday. Shout out to the moms.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Uh, we are going to get into DXY. So the divergence is holding up currently. We closed Doji Fashion. We pop up to the upside starting out today already. So I believe that'll leave a wick and maybe we can start getting back down into these lows. But again, we're just looking for this to maintain, at least I'm looking for this to maintain this resistance here and continue to the downside. Whatever news went down today, I'll have to check. But I did catch some buy entries. A few of my smaller accounts destroyed by this one drop. I kept having to enter. It was freaking annoying. So I just gave up. But my bigger accounts hold through. So everything's buying. Nice double bottom on German 30. Keep seeing that go up. SPX up. Oz up. US 30 up. NZD USD is going to be up. And GBP USD is going to be up as well. I'm in GU down here. I missed NZD USD. I wasn't watching, but I'd still probably take this buy. Just go stop loss back here. So it'd be, let's see the safest route. What is it? The safe route. Structure back here. Okay, right here. That go there. Let's see what this looks like real quick. All right, if you're gonna swing it, how many pips is that? See if this is really bad off the head. About 40 pips. Well, that's not bad. That's not bad. We could work something like that. So I'm not sure what kind of news may be coming up. If we can break through 64, which should be the first target, then next swing target will be 65. And DXY continues that slip and slide to the downside, then we'll break beyond that. Back up into there. So those would be my points of interest. But again, that's with the idea of DXY continuing a mudslide. That's all I got. It's all you, Jay.
All right, so we're in a buy currently on gold. Gold's giving a lot of weird things going on. If you're looking at something on a lower time frame, you start seeing that it's trying to build this flag that's going. Like we almost go clone this thing and see how it matches up. Like normally we see these kind of pairs when you see this going, it's usually going to indicate it's going to drop again. So you see the rise and then you see the fall again. So we'll watch out for this as we're in a buy right now. Hopefully this doesn't tend to be this drop that we're hoping we don't see again. But that's what it's showing, especially on the hour, I mean the daily too. A lot of your candles are just slow building candles, which is not what we want right now, where we're trying to reverse everything out of here. We want to see something stronger, like bigger moves. We're seeing a lot of small moves right now, which indicated it might drop again. That's just from like experience seeing that stuff happen. So we'll keep watching it and make sure. I'll probably put my Pippin profits or something, my stopping profit, because this one is like it might try to reverse out of here again. We were hoping that it was gonna come back east of the neckline in here. So we'll try to put in our take profits probably at the neckline here for when it does it, but if it decides to just drop it and come back up, then we don't want to be in here when it drops because we want to hold that drawdown. I'll talk about GA, so talk about GN today. EU still dropping. We're still waiting for this to come back down, so it's starting to finally reverse out of here. for JP225, which is what we're looking for before. So we wanted the reverse to come back here so we can eventually buy this up. So it's finally it's time to reverse, which is what we want. So we'll keep watching this one out. We could almost put an alert on this spot if we wanted to for this level to give us that entry into it. I haven't done alerts in a while, but we could do an alert here if we wanted to and put it on that time frame when it's crossing, when it crosses that location. What we want right now. Hey, we got that pullback that we wanted on oil. So now we have the pullback that we needed for oil. We can now get into the sell that we were looking for. So it's a little bit stronger than we needed because we needed just to come back to the neckline or come back to where our channel was, but it came way back into it. So let's look on a weekly. Let's look on a day. I mean a monthly to see what's going on. We got a whole 27 days left in the month. And that means we could be wrong on this pair, honestly. This monthly looks like it's about to try to come back up, especially with this happening. We'll keep watching this. We're trying to look for the best setups that we can get into. We want to guess it here. So if things look great, then I want to be in it. If it doesn't look great, I don't want to be anywhere near it. That's how I take some of these trades. Yeah, we'll keep watching this one. I like this one. We'll get back into this buy or this sell if it comes back down to this was it 76.3. We'll get back into the sell, but if it doesn't come back now, then we'll just watch this buy up probably. It should be in profits for gold. I mean for US 30. Yeah, ever see how these are looking right here when it's breaking down, slowing down here, and then finally peaks up? That's exactly how gold looks to me. So this when it's coming down, breaking, getting slower, slower, like you're losing like momentum, and then it just shoots up. That's how exactly how gold looks to me when I'm looking at it. So it's the opposite though. Boom, 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 and then it'll drop here. So be mindful of what I'm looking at for US 30 and for gold. Those are how the candles are looking to me. We got a double top on Netflix. So we about to get this drop finally. We drop, we take this next line retrace, and then we get in this sell. There's probably be at the bottom of the channel. So it might sell down to like probably 331. And that's the only thing I'm looking at right now. I'm only in one thing right now, which is that gold. So I'm gonna be monitoring that one a little quicker, a little closer because of how it is moving. Anybody got questions for me? Can anybody hear me? Cool.
No, sounds good to me.
You see how gold is looking right now? It's trying to slow down.
Yeah, I'm kind of with that bearish flag idea now a little bit. We'll
Yeah, I
see how it
just it,
plays out though.
it didn't show yesterday because of where the candle was at, but now it's trying to have that slow down. So things are coming out and showing some different indications, which could be, hey, I'm not in a loss right now on gold, so me getting out of it is not gonna hurt my feelings.
Uh,
I'm actually positive right now, so if it looks like it's gonna do something stupid, which it looks like it's gonna do, then we just got to trade. It's not a hard thing to do.
I got out positive. Um, I'm just gonna wait for the breakout. If it breaks out, retest, then I'll just catch either the sell or the buy off of it.
Yep,
So that's pretty
pretty
simple. Then
pretty simple.
oil looked really nice. So I took it dropped a 1 hour bearish engulfing on MT4 with a double top. So I took an entry on that. See how I wake up tomorrow. I didn't do anything heavy. Byron, you got anything up on crypto? I don't think I saw anything new.
You hear me? You hear me?
Yeah.
Nothing right now. Still, I put in the chat. Still going on for that. Off the it's testing that. It's bouncing off of a fair value gap right now. I'm trying to see how it's responding to it. So I'm still looking for sales. I don't know. We'll see what comes next. I was seeing if it would respond to the news today about those earthquakes, see if that would have did anything, but look like it's just being stable.
Mhm.
And then I'm trying to see whatever the president says something in the State of the Union. Probably gonna do. So,
Word. We'll see how he transpires. I'm at it.
yeah, it's sloping.
Looking at something like that, right?
What's to the next of that? Is there like a inverted head and shoulders that would make that shoulder a little bit? What are you on, a daily?
No,
Or
it's the
4 hour?
4 hour.
What is it like on a daily? I think I have it coming down to make another shoulder. Yeah. So yeah, whatever that box support that you got, I can see it maybe tapping down there.
Yeah.
Coming back up.
Cool. Yeah. So this is a pretty nice high point outside the RSI where we started dropping. Now we're getting that rejection off the 50 of the RSI as well for the second time. It's probably just go down again. And then once we go outside on the 30, which we'll showcase here, then we can possibly see this go back up. Or it'll just be a retrace, one of the two. Cool.